Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? We are back in the kitchen today. It's been about a year since I've done a cooking video. So today I want to put together for y'all 3 cool, quick, and fun summer recipes that you can make on a hot day. I can't do a lot of cooking in my house in the summertime at all, or it gets the house too hot. So today I'm going to do a few little things that will keep us cool and full. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm about to show you the ingredients I'm going to use, and then we'll get to it on the first recipe. Okay, for this first recipe, I'm just going to make us some what I'm going to call cucumber salad boats. I'm going to take some cucumbers and scrape the seeds out. I've done one of these before on a different recipe, but I decided to try this today, putting my salad inside my cucumbers. We're going to see how it works out. So I'm going to scrape the insides out of the cucumber, and we're going to add just a little bit of lettuce, tomato, maybe a little onion, and turkey and bacon. And then I'm going to put some salad dressing and some seasonings on top and see how that goes. I think it'll be good. So for those of you that might not know, if you have anybody diabetic that's eating in your family, cucumbers are a free food. So they're very good for you, and you don't have to worry about counting them when you're counting up what foods you're eating, how much sugar and all that. They're very good for you. And this meal, I used very little of everything except the cucumbers. I used 3 cucumbers, and I used 2 leaves of lettuce, like 1 slice of tomato, 1 slice of turkey for each plate, just a little slice of onion, a little bit of bacon bits. It was so inexpensive to make. You could make it several times with what lettuce and tomato and onion you have. You would just have to buy extra cucumber for the extra meals. So it's very inexpensive and easy and very good for you. This is one of those meals that you can adjust according to your taste. You can put whatever vegetables you want on it, whatever meats. You could add cheese to it. You can put whatever seasonings, whatever dressing you like. It's a very easy meal to adjust to whatever you like. Alright, y'all, this is how this recipe turned out. This is my plate. And this is his plate. I think that works out for a good, light, cool summer meal. Okay, y'all, now we're going to do recipe number 2, which is going to be tuna salad. Me and my husband hasn't done tuna salad in years. I don't know why. We just haven't. And I saw a thing, I don't know if it was on social media somewhere or what, where somebody did tuna salad, but instead of bread, they put it in lettuce. So that's what I'm going to try. We've never had that before. So I got some romaine lettuce and 2 cans of tuna, onion. We're going to try some tomato on that. I'm going to boil an egg, cut up some pickles, and add some mayonnaise. And we're going to put the tuna inside the lettuce with the tomato, and we're going to see how that goes. Like I said, we've never had that, and it's been so long since we've had tuna. Like, we liked it back in the day, so I'm sure we'll like it now. But this will be another cool summer recipe where the only thing I have to cook is the egg, so it should be fine. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, this recipe here took no time at all to make. I got my egg started. The way I do my egg is I put it in a pan with some cold water and a little salt. When it comes to a boil, a good boil, I set my timer for 10 minutes, and then I put it in some cold water for 2 to 5 minutes, and it peels very good that way. If I change anything about that, it doesn't peel right, so I just try to stick to that. And when I finished chopping all the stuff I needed for my salad, my egg still had 5 minutes left to cook. So that's how little time it took me to get this meal ready. So I only used 1 lettuce leaf on my plate and 2 on his. And then I filled it up with the tuna and some tomatoes, the paprika, pepper, and parsley flakes. And he only ended up eating 1 of his lettuce leaves and saved the other one for the next day because these were way more filling than you would think. And also, when I got ready to finish up my salad, I decided to put some crispy onions on top. I just thought that would elevate the flavor. We love these things, and it turned out really good like that. I decided to add just a little bit of rosé wine to my meal. It's been a while and I thought I would try it, and it turned out very good with this tuna salad. Okay, y'all, my last recipe is a yummy dessert recipe. We're just going to do some strawberry sundaes, and I'm going to use some Carb Smart vanilla. This ice cream is so good. And I've got some frozen strawberries from where I went to the strawberry patch when I went to visit my daughter, and some whipped cream and some sprinkles. So let's get started with this one. Strawberry sundaes for dessert. I would have loved to have nuts, but my Walmart has moved everything around and I couldn't find the ice cream topping section or a worker, so I did sprinkles instead of nuts. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any ideas for quick, cool summer recipes that don't require cooking or very much cooking, leave it in the comments for me. And I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.